Hello guys and welcome to this video. So in this particular video I'll be showing you how to create this amazing type of effect called the explosion effect, where you can see explosion behind the video subject here. So if you want to create amazing effects with your phone or with your you have projects to create, and you want to use this particular explosion effect, this is how to do that. First thing is to go to higgsfield.ai. The second step is for you to go to click on the visual effects section, then click on explosion. You'll be brought to a page like this. You can select from any of the samples available here, or you can just create your own by clicking on the generate icon here. So once you click on the generate icon, you'll be brought to a page like this, where you will all you have to do is to upload the particular picture you want to use for this effect. Now click on this and then you'll be let me just click on it. So from here you can see I can now upload any image I want to, but I do not want any image upload. I will now describe my scene if I want it to be very detailed, and then you can see that this is the best model for this particular effect. Now some you would see a different model, but I would advise you just leave it at this and then click on generate. After a few seconds you can now after a few minutes, rather not seconds. It takes about 10-15 minutes, but this is because I'm using a free account. For premium and paid accounts you'd have lower time. So once you're done, click on this download. This is an effect I used. This is a video I created with an effect, so it's really good and you can use it for proper video editing. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys. Please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow.